Order submitted. Order filled.
Harmonic NQ on the 3. Fib.NQ on the 3. Fib.NQ on the 3. Fib.NQ on the 3.
Chief Nomad, how you doing? What's going on?
Bear with me for a second. Bear with me for a second. There we go.
I had some stuff I had to take care of.
Oh, I've been insane busy this morning.
Yeah.
Divergence of M and Q on the 9.
Well, it looks like we hit about 40 points short of the expected high end of the range.
Correct. Correct. Seeing a lot of AO clustering going on.
Boy, you say that. Look at this screen. So this is my 9s.
Enigma long
Yeah.
on the NQ2.
You think that's indicative of some clustering?
That's so my 9s don't look like that. Oh, you're on the M and Q. Okay, never mind.
Yeah. Do you
Okay.
think it's different on the NQ?
It is different on the NQ. I'm seeing it on the 24 range.
Harmonic
And if I switch to the 41s,
I'm back on the 41s. I still have a lot of AO clustering. Maybe I need to dial that in.
if I'm on the 41s, it's not bad.
Are my settings wrong, you think?
No. I'm just not.
Okay.
It's all order flow based, right? So it's.
Right. Alright, is this where we turn around? Go back the other way? This is another chop fest, John?
Another chop fest, bud.
Pretty much the same on the ES.
I haven't looked on the ES.
Fib.NQ on the 3. Fib.NQ on the 3.
Still a lot of liquidity north of us on the M&Q, according to the M&Q book map.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
I was going to try to catch a falling knife, but...
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
Nothing to really catch.
Huh?
There's nothing to really catch.
No.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
I do know this.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 40. Lower bands
Alright,
touch
we are in strong cell territory.
Enigma long on the NQ6.
I don't think I'm gonna trust that one.
It hit target.
Yeah,
Lower
yeah.
band NQ on
Yeah,
the
it did.
40.
It was a moonshot.
Maybe I should have trusted it.
Well, you actually had confluence on the 3s because you got a 15.4 and then a 12.
Yeah.
Not.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 40.
Am I missing something down below?
Enigma long on the NQ2.
Are you missing
Order
something down
filled.
below?
Yeah.
Is that what you got?
Target.
I think it's just taking you back into the trading range.
Touch NQ on the 41. Harmonic NQ on the 3.
Order
Take
filled.
that. I'll take it. Passed on the 6, but I took it on the 2s. That's not real smart.
Order filled.
Oh shit.
Uh-oh, what'd you do?
It was a quick naked order. I didn't realize I had
Oh.
no ATM applied. I mean, it made money, but made $200 real fast. But I didn't mean to.
I hear you.
Not that way. Not that way. I don't like taking. I don't mind a micro naked. 4 minis naked. Freaking story. And I was in the right direction on that trade. I just, that was a
Harmonic hands on the
bit
6.
too ballsy for me.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
Excuse me.
Harmonic NQ on the 3. On the NQ6.
Oh, man, another Enigma one right in the middle of the shark pattern.
That's on the AQ6. I missed my entry on that shark.
Were you taking
It's gonna be a good. Yeah, I already missed my entry, so I can't take it now.
Yeah.
I mean, you've got it on 3 different flipping time frames.
The Enigma on the NQ6 threw me for a loop there.
Yeah, it threw me off too. I didn't actually. That PRZ didn't appear. It just it never showed as a a potential PRZ. It just popped up as a harmonic for me.
For some reason, my G buttons are working on OBS, but not on.
Did you you reinstalled your
I
Ninja
set
Trader,
it
so
all up.
you re-enabled your hotkeys?
Yeah.
You set them up, but did you enable the hotkey setting?
Ah, where do I go do that?
Bear with me. Let me find it real fast. Tools, options.
Well,
Tools, options. In your control center, tools, options.
okay. Tools, options.
Trading.
All right, let's go to trading.
Use order entry hotkeys underneath general.
There we go.
Is that box there?
There we go.
There you go.
That's it. All right. Thank you.
That'll be $259,000, sir.
Okay. Damn, Mike would have charged me $500,000 at the least.
That's funny. I haven't even been on Mike's stream today.
I'm on it. I liked it. He's out to lunch, I'm guessing.
Is he?
I'm guessing. I got in a little late. Well,
Yeah.
Divergence down NQ on
My
the
next 2 days are going to be crazy. I'm doing billable work. So.
I wish I could do billable work.
Oh, that's stupid, John. Why are you taking an AO there?
You taking it long or short?
Long. Dumb, Bob. Dumb. I mean, it is a continuation AO, but it's at the top of a trading range.
Right. If I had a volume bar above the one that's there, I would say okay, but you get that.
Yeah.
You got small diamond
on the
there.
3.
I'm gonna step away for just a sec. I'll be right back. Just gotta go refill the rocket fuel.
Go ahead. I got it.
Pip.NQ on the 3.
Okay. Ah, that was coffee's the only thing keeping me going right now.
I hear you, brother. Are you still in that long trade?
Oh no, I'm out.
Okay.
Targets were hit, and I was done. I should have stayed in it because that was just a big. That was just a bull trap on the 4,000 tick chart. If you're a subscriber to the Joseph James trades, that was the first test of the channel.
What's the channel? Where?
What's that?
Where is the channel you're talking about on the Joseph James?
Off of the lows, so you take it off the highs, and then you pin it down off of those lows, off of the low.
On the 3.
So let me see if I can pull it off of. It's actually, you can actually see it better off of the 1,000 tick chart there.
Enigma long on the NQ2.
But now we're getting into, on the 1,000 tick, you're back. It's a trading range in the 1,000 tick, to be honest with you. And you're getting to the top of that trading range. And the interesting thing is if they're going to break out bullishly, or if this pushes us right back down in the range.
DCD and NQ on the 2.
Well, there's your answer. It's funny, it's because we're so range bound, I don't have a problem doing that.
Are you showing any liquidity higher than? I see some up at 7.
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
Let's see if that hits my stop or if that's gonna go.
Order filled.
There we go. Target's filled.
You went south.
I did. I had a 17.5 pink AO.
Yeah.
At the top of a range. And it represents, if you get a strong push back down, I don't think this is a reversal, but I can see how it would look like one.
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
Ooh, pink dot.
Yeah, on a Gartley.
Yeah, I'm not taking this one. just because I hear tick, 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 tick.
Fib.NQ
There's a
on the
crab up
41.
above it that I like a lot better.
I don't like the crab though because of now we're on a breakout leg, right?
Yeah,
We're on an impulse leg.
I'm hearing buyers.
Yeah.
And I'm yo. Hi.
I'm coming to show you my new nails.
Okay.
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
All right.
I have to show everybody.
There you go. He likes them too.
You like them too? Hey, thank you
All right, let's see. Do we have?
Jonathan, did you call Edgar?
I called him twice yesterday. I sent him a text. I'm gonna call him again at around 1 today.
Okay.
I did though. So yeah, I've not got a response yet.
So this is gonna be a bullish rip. What's funny is I don't see like. This is a 15 inside of a PRZ.
Order submitted.
Yeah, that's gonna end up being a bad play because I got a late entry on it, but we're gonna just move this back to. Late entry, Bob.
Upper banks work NQ on the 40.
Target's filled.
There you go.
Now you got a 16-7. Oh, 3 higher time frame. Delta dump with large timing. That's 2 nice AOs inside of PRZs that have worked. Even with, admittedly, even with poor trade execution, they work. Just imagine had I've
Yeah, have you nailed it?
been finger over the sell button at the right time. I mean, we should be able to get up to like 670-ish is kind of my thought. You would think.
I called the high of the expected range at 684.
That, I mean, that kind of takes us to where we've had I mean, I like trying to take it there. I just don't have any weighted. I don't have a good spot to enter.
Yeah.
I mean, my spot to enter was way back where. I don't have a good place for a stop. To swing that. Nor does, admittedly, nor does the liquidity picture support that right now. It supports us sitting in a trading range for a while. Is
Mhm.
what that means.
Is it me or is it just real thin?
It is super thin.
Okay.
Now I will admit the ES is not. What's interesting is there's still all that liquidity down in the 58.20 range. Oh, never mind. My settings on the old cancer chart changed. I'm a moron.
Harmonic NQ
I
on the
wonder why
3.
I've been struggling.
Touch NQ on the 89. DCDM NQ on the 2.
Ooh, if that diamond in that cipher wasn't below us, that shark looks really nice.
Oh,
Order submitted.
let's give it a shot.
Order filled.
Obliged to take it.
Order
All right, I
submitted.
have to take it.
DCDM NQ on the 2.
Just go give me a T1. You are not.
Order filled. Target filled.
Oh man, it took me out. Come on. Go get it. There we go.
Go give me my T1 on my shark.
Race is on now. Pushing T2 up.
Give me my T1 on my shark. I'm gonna go ahead and take.
Target filled.
Okay. Got on stream and instantly have traded better. No, I'm up $400 since we're on stream.
In micros?
I've been trading a little bit of minis here and there.
Okay. I think I trucked that.
The other thing I've been doing is I'll plus up my position sizing in micros.
Uh-huh.
So I'll go, 6 micros instead of 2 or 4.
Oh, I hear you. I'm still using the 3-2-1 recipe on my micros.
What's your ATM there?
Where? On micros?
Yeah. Hey, look, Captain Price is back.
Hey, Captain. What's happening? Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, well, did we really,
Yeah. Yep.
You kind of had to expect that we would kind of...
NQ on the 4.
I mean, we came... Oh, I say we. Bob, you came up with the expected range today of what was it, 384 points?
Yeah.
I shouldn't say expected, anticipated range. Based on option volume.
368 was my calculation.
368, there you go. 368 was the number. And we're pretty close to that number.
NQ on the 3.
A little short on the high end so far. The high end was 680 something?
680,
Bob?
684, and the low was 316.
Yeah, so
Harmonic
definitely
NQ
missed the
on the
low
3.
end. But after days of consolidation, I mean, you
Yeah.
had to expect some sort of a decent move on a day. I mean, you do have an untested value area high out there too, Bob.
Yes, you do.
703
Say it
from
again.
Friday.
Yeah.
703 from Friday.
Yeah. So to pull it in perspective, we've got a 354 That's a value area high. You're right. But I'm also curious about this 354 down here.
Yeah,
Looking
but
for my weekly chart. I don't see my. Oh wait, I know where it is. There it is. There you are. You're hiding over there.
dude, I won't lie. You have so much stuff on that chart, I can barely read it. Let's see. Hidden seller did normal profit taking already. 200-point rotation. Gotta worry about great rally.
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
You have the pivots on that on your volume profile chart, don't you?
Yeah.
NQ on the 3.
Okay. Those are what the other lines are.
Enigma short on the ES1. Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
Hey John, we're quickly approaching 684.
Oh, I missed my entry there. That was a tailor-made setup too. And there's another long setup. Should have gotten long there.
Somebody's just floating some liquidity up at 700. Not so sure it's not an algorithm.
To me, I always see liquidity at the whole numbers, right?
Yeah.
The 50s, and the 100s.
Harmonic NQ on the 3. Divergence down NQ on the 9.
Go get 684.
NQ on the 3. Fib.NQ on the 3.
Oh, it's in the bag. Well, maybe not. No, I think it is.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
No, we got a double dot there.
I mean, on the 6s, you have all the AO clustering you can want.
On the 3.
I want to see it hit 700.
Order submitted.
Oh, just missed my target.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
Come on.
Target filled.
Come on. Missed it by a tick.
Order filled.
Closed it up. Make my. Should have left it on, but it would have hit target.
Well, we hit 682.
I would call that victory, Bob.
Yeah, I gotta go back and study my calculations. I don't know how I missed it.
I'm gonna be honest with you. You were working off of a 500 number when you did your math up, and that's how you came up with that.
Okay.
If you
Oh, that's
looked
right.
off the exact number, you were right on target.
That's right. You're exactly right. I rounded up from 497. Okay.
Correct. There's your. So you actually missed it by a point and by 8 ticks or so.
Yeah. Still gotta figure that one out.
Fucking amateur. All right. Ooh, that's hard not to.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
Hard not to take. Take DCDM from this 660, 65, or 12 there too. Yeah, I didn't have a DCDM on a 655.
So the YM and the RTY are down. NQ and ES is up. Crude's down.
Yeah, crude's going to continue to get just beat up.
Gold's up.
I mean, I shared that article with you, and that was...
Yeah. Copper's a little down.
Harmonic NQ
What's
on
Nat Gas doing? That's going to be the next interesting play.
2.8, it's 287. Yeah, almost 2.8.
Jeez, man.
Huh?
Just... there's been so much money to be made over Nat Gas in the last few years. It's crazy.
Yeah. Oh, I want to take that shark, but I
Oh, you consider, so Captain Price considers those clusters as valid? As a valid DCDM signal?
All right. I am
Is that what you're
back.
saying there, Cap?
So, no, I'm not bummed at all. Mike's going to be bummed that he missed. Not really. There's R1.
I see what you're saying
And
now.
if we look, what was Mike playing? Oh, I had to hold it for quite a while. Was in that trade for a
He's
wow.
talking about the
Got
AO
out a little bit
clustering
before
that,
it.
that occurred at 655-ish, Bob.
Held it for a
Between
while.
6,
Where did I get in that? Got in right over
655
here.
and 660, and then look at it. It does play
I
out.
just held through the
as
whole
a
thing.
DC.
I got it. I got
The
it.
interesting thing would be
So
if
I'm
you
not
go back
bummed.
to the
Not bummed.
previous cross below that,
But
that
nice try.
15.4,
Yeah.
and do a measurement to
So,
the middle
I
of
got
those
it. I kept saying I
crosses.
thought we were going to R1, so
What's the
it did come
100%
close to
extension
stopping
of
me out,
that?
though. I almost got stopped
What's
out.
the 100% extension of that?
So,
From the
but it
middle
didn't
of
work
the
out,
from the
so
middle of the
it's all good.
15.4
All good.
to the middle of that cluster.
From the middle of the 15.4.
See, Nasdaq blowing past R1.
Middle of 15.4 to the
Again,
middle
we
of the
talked about the
cluster.
potential trap, right? The first way we break is what? Normally
Okay.
a trap. And they run it
It's
back the other way. That's
22
exactly
it's
what is
22
transpiring
points.
this morning. Or today.
So 22
You know,
north of
yes, they
that
broke
would
it down.
be
Boom.
280.
We're almost back at
Look
the
at
top
that.
of yesterday's range.
That's
It's
pretty
the
funny.
same thing over and over and over and over and over. Now, it doesn't just
Pretty
because
funny.
I say quite often it's a trap doesn't mean 100% of the time it's going to be a trap.
Huh. Ain't that interesting?
But if it does it more times than it doesn't,
On NQ on the 6.
then you know we can
Hey,
have an edge
Captain,
there.
what made you,
I like it.
distance-wise?
So now I'm not having such a bad day.
682.
Thanks to that last trade, it actually kind of made the day pretty decent. I struggled a little bit in the morning,
DCDMES on the
but
one.
you know, I kept talking all morning long. I think we're gonna hit it. I think we're gonna hit it. I think we're gonna hit it. So I had the conviction.
Just like a-
I just had some pretty poor executions so far today.
Yes, he ran up, reconfirmed it,
Nonetheless,
boom, gone.
Still worked
So
out.
what
I left on the
hey,
wrong
Captain,
screen
what
when
made
I
you
left.
decide to go long?
I meant to leave you
Was it
guys
the
on
green
this
dot?
screen,
Was
but
it the cluster, the first
you can see we're clearly above
reversal of the
value area
third
high
one
from
to
the afternoon
keep
session.
going long?
We're just ripping right on up. Keep in mind, we have earnings after the bell, so that should be fun.
The 660 green, that 10-2.
It's all fun times. Our question is, will we ever get a pullback now? Will we get a pullback? Some point we
Way
probably
down
will.
here.
ES can go up a little bit higher.
Oh, look
I'll
at
be-
that, John. He's right.
I'll be
Look,
maybe looking
down
to
here,
play a little
660, you got
snap
the
back the other
13.
direction.
You take that up to
All right, we'll see.
here. You pull back the
Pretty happy with that.
38.2.
Yeah, you're
I'm still looking at
hidden.
the VIX.
You're
I'm still looking at
hidden
the VIX
by
getting pummeled.
my video there,
Actually, I thought the VIX would be down a little bit more than it is.
so I can't see that part of the screen
Dow's
because of
still
your
down?
Google Meet showing over there in the bottom left
So
corner.
down,
So
Russell's
really,
getting
the
beat
beat
100%
up pretty bad
play
too.
on is 692.
I did take a little short on the
J-hook long NQ on the
fast
nine.
track with a micro real quick. See if I can get
There's
something
your
out of it.
J-hook long.
But right here, ES up 16, Dow down
And
70.
you know my feeling about the
Nasdaq
J-hook.
up 180.
I'm
RTY
looking
not doing so hot.
I take it. No,
Down 15 points.
I mean the J-hook is a continuation.
Now let's see if we've come close to the averages. All right,
What'd you get?
S&P's
what-
now had a 44-point
where did you
range.
get that
The
at?
average is about 55. Nasdaq has had a
What's that?
250-point range.
I heard
The average is
on
279.
your screen, not mine, right? No, no, no.
I have
got it on
J-hooks,
the
I have
nines.
J-hooks
Linear
on the
flush?
nines. I have J-hooks on the sixes.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it did. Yeah, 10-year got smacked a little bit. You know, I didn't even know we had 10-year auction. I didn't see it over here. Financial Juice probably had it though. Let's see. We're still at 62. Yep, we're still sitting at 62.
I like J-hooks. But man,
We have no news to worry about.
They're a big risk reward
Let's see how
trade,
some of
right?
the earnings are going to be. All right, AMD and Alphabet. Let's see how those stocks are doing today. AMD's having a pretty good run before earnings. Google, same
Gavin,
thing.
you're dead on.
So are they running with the potential to get let
NQ
down?
on the
You're
3.
limited by the amount
It's like
of
a snap.
risk you're willing to put on.
Snap, not so much.
without
Snap is
seeing
down.
which way it plays
And
first,
what
the
about
short
Chipotle? I just
or
went and
the
helped
long.
out their earnings just now. Chipotle down a little bit as well. So kind of a mixed bag. A little bit of a mixed bag. Valor's pulling back a little bit. Ooh, gold's at 27.83.
Yeah, I mean, there's no good entry here.
Gold's still getting it pretty good.
Not right now.
Good night. Let's go. All right, we have a little bit of liquidity here at 680. What do we got higher? than
But
that?
because you were in
1100, we
a,
have 139 contracts. Let's watch that area. What are we up right now? 180.
pretty decent up move, I don't mind it.
Huh. So we're up 180.
Yeah, that Smurf dot's not interesting to me because it's not.
Anything?
It's just a dot.
Anything below us?
There's nothing
A
else
little bit of
with it.
liquidity
So
right there. We're
it's-
trying to fight to get through
to
that.
me,
680.
it doesn't even really exist. I hate to say that.
Bitcoin on a tear. Woo. Bitcoin's almost had its ABC target. Actually, it did.
If it was a dot
Bitcoin hit
inside
its
of a
target
PRZ,
location. Bitcoin took it out.
yeah, you're right. I guess you could have taken it as a quick scalp
Anybody
for
trading Bitcoin is probably pretty happy,
30 ticks.
I would assume.
I actually like that Smurf dot. If you look on mine, you'll see
Hey,
it's
Nasdaq's
at
getting it
the
today, though.
It's
swing point.
Nasdaq
on the
by
AO.
far is the strongest. Let's go see what's moving. MDX 100.
I mean, it's right on the same price
Microsoft,
point
Google,
as that,
Meta, all
as
up
that
over
AO,
a
that
percent.
18.2.
AVGO up 3.5%.
Same
Nvidia
price
up.
point.
Apple up. Amazon up. The only thing down really is Tesla, the big boys. Yeah, they're all moving pretty good. Keep in mind, we're in a very bullish period of time for the markets as well. So we definitely want to be mindful of that. Very bullish period of time for our markets. Bitcoin has definitely got it. I hear the chirping. I hear the chirps. Tesla's down $4. Wow. That's a pretty good move. Now, if we start to pull back, at some point we probably will get a pullback. And if we do so, where's the NASDAQ likely to pull back to?
I
Where's
mean, you
pullback
have
area?
all
Probably
this
about
alpha omega
61.
clustering.
Not really that far away though.
So
Let's watch
tempting.
61. And do we have a way to enter a trade down towards 61? No pullback Tuesday. I mean, that could be the case.
I think I'm going to
We're
shift
laughing about
gears
it, but that
down
very
to
well
a
could be the
lower
case.
time frame chart.
No pullback Tuesday.
Divergence down NQ on the 9. 2-finger NQ on the 89.
Divergence down NQ on the 9.
I just made a new session high.
NQ
I
on the 3.
don't really have the liquidity up there. We don't have the big push yet either.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
RTY is a catch up. RTY has been pretty beaten up most of the day.
Harmonic
Now, if
NQ on the
RTY
3.
tries to play catch up, probably see some of the juice come out of the ES and
John, you
NASDAQ
said
as well.
You can't see anything on my screen because of
Bonds are
what?
flat.
I couldn't see
the
where
bombs
your
down slightly.
crosshairs were at
But-
because it's hidden by the.
Oh, okay.
I'm.
I gotta
I'm.
take this.
You were on the far left-hand side of the ripple chart, and
We
I
shall
can't
see.
see that.
All right, we'll take this phone call. I'll be right back.
Yep.
I'd like to see it pull back down to 61 and see what happens.
2800
Now,
would be
anything below
fantastic.
61. Let's see. Any other key areas? Make case we have another one around 32. And then right here at 08.
I mean, admittedly,
Let's measure a fib. All right, now keep in mind,
There
if we go higher,
is
we'll have to
a-
readjust this. Right now, this straight
naked
leg up,
POC at
38% retracement's
860.25
all the way down here at 590.
on the weekly
Knock
chart.
NQ on the 9.
If you're
If
a
we go
volume
higher,
profile
obviously we have to
trader.
drag that up a little bit, but there's still quite a bit of room. Quite a bit of room. So do we get a way to enter this? That'd be the question. I think we are going to crack right here. See the little bubbles? I think we're going to crack that.
Shark hit T1.
See if I can kind of front run that a little bit.
Hard pressed to see it hitting more
We
than
can get a
that.
little push.
All right, John, I'm back.
Get it going in the direction a little bit and move stop loss to break even. There we go.
But I do like the
See if we
cipher
can push down towards the minus development area right down here.
Testing, testing,
Come on.
testing. Oh, yeah.
You can do it. Let's go. Get the knocks coming.
660.
And if you can't, if they can't really crack that moving average in a big way and hold it, we're gonna kill it. All right, we're having a little bit of hard time at that moving average, so I exited. Took a small little something. I got slipped on
Yeah,
the
don't
exit.
we all
It's
know
like,
how to blow up fighting
You
it?
got something out of it.
All
I
too
didn't like the fact
well.
that we weren't cracking here. You heard a couple
Yeah,
knocks
I
and we
fell
paused
apart
right
last
there.
night, man.
So simply exited.
I went on till. But here's the good thing. I only lost what, $60?
When you sign up with MFF, JD, they give you data anyways. So regardless if you already have
Hey,
a
did you
live
find
account or
out
not,
about that,
the
using,
login credentials they give you will be a second login.
FTT for your data feed.
So
on
I have
your
live
bookmark?
data with Ninja as well. And you have to use the prop firm data they give you. So there is no additional cost.
Definitely
It's
a
whatever
grind, though.
whatever plan you sign up for comes with data. That's part of the pricing. Data is included in that price. In my fun of futures, I mean, the milestone plan is a little bit differently, but
Harmonic
the-
NQ
All right,
on
John,
the
I'm
3.
back.
like the starter and starter plus,
Gotcha.
and whatever plans, they do not charge you once you pass the evaluation, which is pretty cool. No, you won't get order flow. They'll give you top of the book, but so here's what I do. I log into my live data with NinjaTrader first, then I log into the prop firms. Because from what Ninja says is the first data provider you connect to is going to be the live data. I have level 2 data with NinjaTrader, which I keep saying I'm going to cancel at some point. just
Boy, I
forgot.
sure wish I'd have left those 4 minis on the entire time up here.
All right, look.
I had caught that
Pretty smart
perfect.
that I exited
Just
there.
didn't realize
Keep
how
popping up.
perfect I
Having a
had
hard
caught
time
it.
breaking.
No, it looks like we hit 688 as a high.
Yeah, if you don't have order flow data, you're not. So with the prop firm,
You're
they
not
only
done
give you
yet.
level 1 data. So they only give you
Where's
level
the
1 data.
Ugh. Should have taken that cipher.
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
But there was a crab right above it.
Submitted.
I don't know. RTY is trying to play catch up now, but
Order canceled.
I don't know. I don't know. Me personally, I'd rather attack the ES or NASDAQ. I took one trade on the YM earlier.
I
Yeah, being a
tried to
decent
get
trade.
into that crab and it wouldn't take my order. Missed it.
Well, I
I'm
didn't
going
hit
for a
the
little
crab.
scalp and fast track. Hopefully it hits.
Huh?
It didn't hit the crab.
So fast track, I'm a little scalp on the,
Well, I
on
got
the
the
MES.
dot right there.
Trying to make 20 bucks on it.
Oh, in that cipher? Yeah, it just missed the
Push the
crab.
profit up a little bit is what I'm hoping for, but we'll see. We shall see.
Pip.NQ on the 41.
Yeah, I don't have a problem playing it down to 669 short.
Look, we bounced off the moving average, came back up. I should have been looking for
But
another.
that's about
intro
as
to it,
far as
but
I can go.
I did not. And that's fine.
Oh, that was
All
my
good.
play.
Yeah, that was pretty.
Pip.NQ on the 9. Harmonic
Flashlight's
NQ on the
fucking
3.
Cipher, butterfly.
Harmonic
Let's go.
NQ on the 3.
Are we gonna hit our line down here? Are we gonna hit that minus development area? Once we tag it, we'll get rid of the white line.
There's my 669.
All
All right, Fast Track just made its $21 on the trade. Now, at Fast Track, there's no commission,
NQ3.
but you may or may not get paid too. I'm gonna get rid of that white line. All right, that was a minus development area. We do have other minus development areas below us.
Sellers.
Order.
All right, I'm in.
NQ on the 2.
See if I can catch it on the way up.
Pip.NQ
Come back
on
and
the
No, I
look,
don't
right?
like it now.
This was line number 1. We've kind of already hit it now.
Come on, let's go.
Next area,
Come on, give it to me.
Target.
right here. Let's
There we
go
go.
back
I
over
like
that.
it
It's gonna be
now.
about 32.
I'm not seeing your trade, Bob.
And again, the 38%
You're not?
retracement is all the way down
No.
here at 590.
Refresh your screen.
I don't know that we make
I haven't
it quite
left
down there.
the
Maybe we do,
YouTube.
maybe we don't.
I know, sometimes it
I think a
hangs up.
pullback,
You get,
little
you get
pullback
way
would be
behind.
warranted.
No.
Short NQ on the 3.
That's-
I'm-
So now the
I'm
Fast Track
looking at
accounts
it, I
today are
see
up
it.
170.
Oh, yeah, I missed it. I'm not
170
seeing it.
across all those accounts. If I hadn't have turned the trade copier off, probably would have swung on the
Oh.
other accounts too. Oh well.
Hey, Captain, can you see our screen?
I can see your screen.
John, you think I should turn, if I turn the camera off?
You can turn that
Count
off,
5
dude.
minute
We don't need
Okay.
to see that
Q.
stuff.
I got us working on an 8 count, at least on the M and Q.
Let's see here.
M and Q is working on bar number 8.
I have a
Is-
face for
is that
radio,
the same?
dude. Nobody wants to see that shit.
Is the
It's
NQ
bad
the
for the
same?
stream. Ooh.
I have such a hard time finding the NQ on there. Why just type it?
So I have J-hook short
Harmonic NQ
on
on the
the
3.
I'm not gonna switch it. I'm
twos
gonna jack
and
this
the
up.
threes.
Might have already done it.
2-finger NQ on the 41.
J-hook short's
Yeah, I'm
gonna
just gonna leave it on the M and Q.
bust
I don't want
on
to
the
mess it up.
twos, probably. Oh.
Yeah, we're working on bar number 8. Last one we had 9
Harmonic
count there. We got a
NQ
little
on the 3.
reaction. This
Yep.
9 count was kind of sideways
Busted.
going up, but normally a 9 count is consolidation or a pullback. This one we did get a pullback. Sometimes it ends up
And
being
that
a
was
very
also
top
your
or very
entry
bottom.
for the long.
9 count, a little
On
bit
the
of a
higher
pullback
time
there.
frame,
9
wasn't it?
count off the low, rally up.
Sitting here
So.
goofing around on my screen, missed the harmonic on the larger time frame.
Okay, I am stuck. Stuck.
Well, if we get a 9 count, you have to get a 9 count. If the bar, this might not be bar 8. 1,
That 660 price point has been revalidated twice.
yeah, we didn't get it. So with the 9 count, this bar would have been bar 8 if it would have closed above this bar here. So the way it works is it looks at the close of 4 bars back compared to the closing
Yeah, I see your
price
watch
of the
list
current
now.
bar.
Yeah, and I can't.
Yeah,
For some
thank
reason.
goodness for the bond
There you go.
auction,
Yeah, but that's ES.
pushing me up, hitting that ES target,
For some
making
reason.
my day. That's the best trade of the day for me.
Oh, I see why. I see why.
I over doubled my P&L on that one trade.
There we go.
I had to hold it for a while, but I kept telling you guys, R1,
The
R1, R1.
660
It's gonna hit,
hold
it's gonna hit.
again.
Thankfully, I was right. If not, I probably would have been down for the day. So.
Is that better, John?
Yeah, we're good. It was just that. It was
A little
just
bit
that.
of green just popped up here at 685.
The camera?
76 contacts.
Yeah. That was. It
Hasn't been out
covered
there very
your.
long,
It covered what you were showing. That's all. That's all I was pointing out.
Gotcha.
You were trying to move your mouse over an area, and
You
well,
couldn't see it. I get you.
nobody could see it. Who traps who? That's a good point. Does 660 hold? I don't believe we're gonna know just yet.
I'll do it darn thing.
All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Are they going to dip it down or what? Keep in mind, the next mine's development area is going to be the white line down here around 632. I think we're going to drift a little bit lower. We'll see if we get a late day
Fire
push back
step
up.
in.
We shall see.
Look at that.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Sellers say not so fast.
Check out NASDAQ on the map view.
Oh.
Come in.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
Come in.
I have no
One
problem
micro
just
on
watching
the
this go by.
NASDAQ. See if I can take it down towards that 632. I'm gonna look to add if we pop back up. Got a horrible feeling it. Almost the low of the candle. So I think that was one tick off the low of that candle. So looking to target this 632 right here. Depending
I
on how
have
we
no
get there,
problem just letting this go by.
I may try to hold it all the way down towards.
I've only
Mine's
got
developing
3
area
bullets
below that at
left.
608.
I'd rather save them for something I like better.
If it pops up, I'm gonna look to add to it.
Speaking of which,
So let's see. A micro. So, are you looking for the micro Nasdaq or the micro S&P? Either way, just type in M, like for the. Let's say the Nasdaq. Type in M for Mike, N for Nasdaq, then Q for quiet. All right, so MNQ. And then if you're on Ninja, just hit space 12-24. So. Like you can just type
AMD's
right here on
having
your
a
chart.
good
I'm not
day.
going to do it. I don't want to change it and mess things up, but like just type right there and just hit M and Q. Then right there, I'll
Having
pop
a
up
good
right
day.
there. That'd be the micro Nasdaq.
Who reports this afternoon?
That'll work as well.
both of them. Oh, let me show you. Hold on a second.
Yeah, Steve-O, my target was hit on the ES. ES target completed.
Did it show up?
Google
Pretty happy
Visa
with that.
AMD all
Great
after
luck.
hours. Yeah.
NQ on the 3.
Great lunch.
So you can see who's in the lead.
I got Phil right before I got back to the house. Chipotle is a little bit busier.
Yeah, I like the percent change piece. I
Yeah.
do like that.
A little bit busier than it has been last couple times.
All right. Going back.
I need to take a look and see if when Chenier actually reports.
What is that?
Who?
Chenier. It's oh, Schneer just boosted their dividend today
Did they?
by 15%. You could have bought Schneer 2 years ago for peanuts.
What's the symbol?
LNG. I bought them back in COVID,
I had some chicken.
and I exited when I doubled.
Arroz con pollo.
And I shouldn't have. I should have trimmed the position and kept all the profits in them, because it would be. That was back when I was trading natural gas a lot.
That's the burrito I had.
They have earnings.
So
on,
delicious.
second.
So good, so good.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah. Well, I see the.
Think
Are we
you're
gonna
swim?
bust it down or what?
No,
RTY is
I'm
starting
still
to
looking
pull
at
back here a little bit
InQ.
as well. RTY is
Shows
trying to pull
InQ.
back a bit.
Doesn't show
MES on the
LNG?
one.
No, I'm seeing
Actually, that was
InQ.
pretty good. Well, I was done eating before I saw the trade hit target. I was driving home. My watch alerted me. Boop. Order filled or whatever it says. So
Now I'm seeing LNG.
Okay.
we're just kind of chopping around here. Again, I'm trying to hold out for down here on 632.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
Fingers crossed we get
Huh.
there.
I'm not real impressed with that chart.
Maybe about a 25
Not
point
right
trade
now.
or so.
If you take it back on a wider time frame, you would be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see if we get it.
Oh yeah. Okay, never mind.
Yeah, it's ridiculous growth. Their downturn was due to all the stuff that happened politically, because they had shut down their launch of that
Need to get
Big.
moving. Let's
LNG
go, let's
export
go.
facility down in Cameron Parish.
Stuck for now.
The Fed that shut it down for a long time, caused a lot of problems for them.
I mean, it's been stuck quite a bit today.
They do a ton of
Got a lot of
LNG
back and
exports.
forth, back
though.
and forth, back and
Their
forth.
business.
Okay, so that's the
Then a little bit of
weekly.
movement and a
It's
lot of back and forth, back and
basically
forth.
$100 a share.
So,
Uh huh. Honest Stockton's trading at 180 today, 182. Yeah, great management team. Tremendous growth. Of course, the LNG export has been a great growth spot for.
I wonder if it gets support off of that 200.
we get a little pop. We do have
earnings.
liquidity at 685. Let's watch that. 685. Let's go. Are we gonna push it?
It all depends
Dow
on how
back down
much
104.
Fib.ES.
any new
There's a big
administration
discrepancy
supports
between the Dow, Nasdaq, and
LNG
S&P.
export
Right.
business.
All right, let's go. We're
John,
almost
I'm
up
gonna
here at
take a
session
bio break.
highs. Session highs at 688.
I'll be back. in about
685.
15
I'm watching that
minutes.
area right there.
You got some
Sounds
help?
good. I'll still be here, Captain. Abort book ideas, yes. Not a short.
Abort.
I love it, Captain. That's funny. Yep, we're gonna push through and just blow this out.
Alright, I'll be back.
Yeah,
in
let's
15
push.
minutes.
Yep.
We have
sounds
less
good.
delta on this second push. It's looking like
Abort. I love it. It's another nice little trap.
hopefully it doesn't just rip right up. Come on. And
Captain,
it's
we're
not
gonna have
really
to
going
throw
down.
you
It's
into
gonna be a
this Google Meet one day so you can just join us. I don't have the permission to do it. It's
problem. Yeah, liquidity at 685. Hopefully we don't
so you
quite
can
take
add
it.
to the commentary here, sir.
Jacob on NQ on the
Not really-
Guest
not really
guest
feeling it.
appearance. We don't pay appearance fees, just so you know. But the green room is well stocked. Plenty of Fiji water. And black coffee.
Come on. That's probably gonna bust it up. Let's see if that 685 liquidity.
Are we going to
holds it.
run
If
the
not,
highs?
I might
I
have
have to
bail.
think we will.
'Cause then we're probably gonna go through high of the day.
Or
685 doesn't stop us.
Or
Probably need to look to exit.
that just trapped along.
Amazon's ripping.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
Well,
Fib.NQ on the 3.
I don't mind a short from up here at some point, but we're not there
I
yet.
feel like we're building calls for that 685.
We're not there yet.
I feel like we're trying to build calls to hit that liquidity right there.
Start with coffee, end with wine.
Liquidity on the book map.
Are risking a breakout to the moon. I don't disagree with you. But a good firm push back down, I don't mind.
I don't really like how it's moving. I'm just gonna
But
kill
it's
it.
going to have to be bigger than this.
I don't like how it's moving. I feel like it's gonna try to hit that 685 liquidity. I feel like it's just coming back towards the moving averages to spike back up. It'll probably drop now that I'm out, but that's fine.
That ain't it.
I feel like it's gonna try to attack that 685. We've
Volume
already
is-
come up to it once. We pull back. Second or third attempt, we probably take it. I would have hit my target. You son of a.
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
That's alright though. It's all good. I still think we're gonna come up there and hit it. If I would have stayed in it, we
Seller's
would've
trying to
already
step
hit
in
it.
a little bit.
Because I got out. Stupid market. Stupid market. Ugh.
Somebody wins because, damn it, I lose a lot of money in the chop.
I do think
why I
sometime
like
this
to sit
afternoon we'll
on my
probably hit that
hands here.
632 down below us.
I wish I could
They're trying
find
to
a
get
way to
revenge.
profit from a choppy market, but I'm just not that good.
They didn't know I did a sneak move on them. They thought I was
Yeah.
going for lunch.
That's fair.
I didn't know I had a target up there on the ES.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
So the market wants its money back. It's trying to get it from me. Trying. Yeah, R1 already hit on the ES. That's the trade that hit my target over lunch.
Let's
We might go up there again, but I just think short term, maybe we pull back a little bit, and then late in the afternoon rally up. I still don't know.
So where are
It's
you
either
at,
gonna be
Captain
late afternoon
Price?
Sell off or rally up. We have earnings coming out after the bell. And again, I'm not the best earnings player out there by any stretch. I suck at it. So I'm not.
Nice.
I'm not trying to really be around for earnings.
Let's spin around.
Or really just stay away. Put spots on the chart that
It's all over. ATL.
go well with the way I like to trade and leave everything else alone. So here's that mice development area right there. If we move it, you can see it right there. Hey, what's up, Matt?
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
We have another mice development area a little bit further near the 50% level. I don't know that I'm in the camp where I think that gets hit today. But I still believe that this was a trap. All right, yesterday kind of a DS-shaped profile, but inside
Fib.NQ
day.
on the 3.
Look at the high compared to yesterday, the prior day's
Yeah, we're
high,
just kind of
low
stuck
compared
now.
to the prior day's low. A lot of times, the first way we break out of that ends up being a false break, and we run the opposite way. So, first way we broke was to the downside. So, here we are now trying to break. I think we
Harmonic
did. We
NQ
broke the
on the
top
3.
side too.
Fib.Harmonic
So we got to build
NQ
the
on
top
the
side
3.
of that as well.
Broke
Now we'll see
that
if we can pull back
harmonic.
down towards this mice development area. Maybe even back towards R1 or the secondary minus development area at 607. 607, 608, somewhere in that ballpark.
2-finger NQ on the 41.
I did add to the micro trade a few moments ago. So I'm still underwater in it. But I'm trying to ride that down to about 632. So 632 is the target I'm looking for.
Just kind of rotating through this range.
Now, I
Right
feel
in the
like
middle of
lately
it
the
right
market's
now.
done more running away from the liquidity than running towards it over the last week and a half or so. Because look, we had this larger liquidity up here. It's just basically repelling price. You got close? Oh,
Look at
move
that
it back down.
660 reappearing on the
Come
old
out,
book
oh,
map.
move it back down. So I feel like the larger liquidity has been repelling the market a lot more recently.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
How many times will we
If
have
they pull
tested
that
that
liquidity,
price
we'll
point?
probably go right up
Fib.NQ
there.
on the 3.
All right, resistance is removed. Let's go. Let's go. We have a little ABC pattern here too. Let's see where that completes. We almost got about 67 and a half.
Enigma long on the
All right, let's flush
NQ2.
it. Flush it. Let's go. Flush it.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
All right, we're up on the micro trades for the time being.
Ooh,
Did we make it down to 32?
660 tested and busted.
32 is going to be the next
Fib.NQ
minus
on the
development
3.
area below us.
Can't call it busted yet, I don't guess.
We also have the 38% level at 590. We're working on bar number 5.
definitely
for the
gained some ground
9
down
count
there,
on the
though.
way down. Oh, like that was the ES. My bad. The S&P is working on bar number 5. Nasdaq's working on bar number 4. We still got a while. We still got a while.
Ooh.
We're up a little bit on the trade now. What, 30 bucks?
Are we gonna firm up?
Oh, yeah, I'm looking for about 32. 32 puts us into that next minus development area right here. Right there. Dow's down 120. Russell rolled back over down 13 and a half. So
Order submitted.
let's flush. Flush. Flush time. Let's go. Flush it. Wouldn't mind a nice little flush right now. Good little
Sayonara.
consolidation right here. Look at the smaller bubbles on Bookmap.
Are we
Should be
gonna
very
firm up?
easy to go ahead and bust through that.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
So if you come back up, try to come back down it, we should be able to bust it. So if we come back down towards here, we should be able to break that swing
Or is
point.
this where they call the ball?
Fib.NQ on the 3.
Hey!
You get your targets.
We're not gonna break
Yup.
it for going up. Not gonna be able
Just
to
a
break
quick
it if we're
scalp.
going up.
15 ticks.
There you go.
Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go,
I won't lie, it was
let's go.
not
Bust
looking
it,
good there
bust
for a
it.
sec.
Bust it.
Whoop. 725 building liquidity
Get down there yet.
on
We're
the
starting to get
NQ.
close.
750's got a
We're
bunch
starting
out
to
there
get
too.
close.
Bit.es harmonic NQ on the 3.
Let's see what we get. Yeah, we're working on bar number 6 on the S&P now.
I just figured we were in a range. We were right at the
We're
bottom
working
of
on
the
bar number
range.
6. See if we get a 9 count.
And I just placed my stops right below that volume bar on the 3s.
Kind of looks like a little.
I should have played it to the other side of the range
Flagpole, the little flag.
to make it
Done
even
good. What are you talking
better
about?
RR trade. What's that?
You did good.
Keep making higher highs and higher lows in this consolidation, though. In the flaggish part.
I told Captain Price at some point we're gonna have to have him on as a guest appearance, but we don't pay guest appearance fees, just so he knows.
Bitcoin was ripping.
Although the green room is well stocked.
And Bitcoin's
He
already
said
hit my
coffee
daily
and
target.
milk.
Starting to pull back here a bit. So Bitcoin completed ABC projection. 72,775, and the high today was 72,994. Gold completed its target as well. To the upside. ABC projection completed.
Bit.NQ on the 3.
Dollar starting to have a little bit of weakness up here.
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
Also trying to come back.
Oh man.
So,
This is just straight up range trading.
I guess we're not gonna break that low. Not yet. Not yet.
I'm in the entry zone of a J hook short on the NQ3.
Again, Dow and Russell been
PR,
red pretty much all day.
PRZ with a 15
All day long.
AO. I mean, I can't. It's telling me to go short.
Back down about 27, 20 bucks in the M&Q.
I just it's a
Well, it-
developing PRZ. I wish
Currently
it
in
would
the
pop
red.
it up to 676, 7.
Yeah, but I think you broke structure already once, right?
Harmonic
Now
NQ on the
this
3.
may be a little bit better one,
Liquidity
but
is not
I
too
just
high.
don't
Oh,
like
look,
the
hey.
fact that
They pulled that liquidity
Where
at
we're at.
685. The liquidity we were watching
canceled.
earlier, I was repelling it. Look, they pulled it.
it's a better
So now look,
harmonic
there's no
to take,
resistance at that
no
area.
doubt.
So the market should have an easier time pushing past it if we go up towards that area.
But the PRZ
Selling orders
above
have
it
been removed.
precludes me from taking it.
I actually tried to get in and I missed my entry.
It's a
Kinda
slow
glad.
market. Hurry up and wait.
You definitely have balance in the market here. Definitely have some people that don't mind selling at this price point, that's for sure.
I think we're gonna push back down. Can we do it? Let's go. I'd say that minus development area tested out. Nice slow market. Slow as can be.
Harmonic NQ on the
Keep in
3.
mind, slower markets do favor the bulls out here. So usually fast markets tend to rip or dip lower.
I've got to think that we're
There's a greater
soon going to be going to
evolution
close out this J hook.
Getting close to it.
Yeah.
Hey, we
It's
might be able to
coming.
get a 2 p.m. dip. We could. Or maybe we just consolidate all the way until near the close and then they rip it. Or whatever happens after the bell. We're gonna get some action after 4 o'clock today. Lots of earnings.
So, Captain, do you like the 24 range better than the
Lots and lots
optimized
of
range
earnings.
on the wave? Do you like the 24 range better than using the optimized range? So, like this week
Yeah,
being
no
the
tripping.
41.
The meter is almost dead smack at 0. It's hanging right around 0.
Do you find that in
So no chirps, no knocks, nothing.
24, 32, or 89?
Hurry up and wait. We get paid to be patient.
I'm going to flip back over to the 24 real quick just so I can see it.
Let's hit that. Looks like. I really like it.
I actually think I like using just the 24 just because it keeps it
Yeah, it's
consistent.
just right. It's pretty
You
slow
want
out here. Pretty slow. Keep in mind, we're getting closer to elections.
Enigma long on the
We have quite a
NQ2.
bit of economic data the rest of the week. Earnings central this week. Now we do have the end of the month coming up as well. So I'm sure there'll be a little bit of window dressing going on there.
Finger short.
So let's go.
DCDMES on the 1.
Order canceled.
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
Exit.
Now we're not far away from session highs on the NASDAQ. Session high is 688. Yeah, liquidity popped back up here at 685.
Total dork.
Popped that liquidity back up to
Yeah.
685.
Up 1,400 for the day.
Hey, look, it's total dork. Was that a dork? That's so funny to say. I just wow. How you
Maybe
doing
if we
today,
swing through the
dork?
high of the day, maybe I'll take a swing at it. Maybe.
I don't know if I can call
I
it
gotta be
dork.
careful. Now look, we got
Feel
very
like
little
I'm being
bubbles right there near that
condescending,
liquidity.
sending.
Do we eat it?
Because you
We
are,
eat
Bob.
it. Let's go.
No, man, come on.
DCDMES.
I want to see this break the high of the day before I short it.
Excuse me, Nomad.
So ideally, eat that liquidity right there at 685. Get a quick little spurt up.
Let's see. Yeah, it's been a good day.
On the twos. That
Pull back, I'm
that
not
could
gonna be
a good
interested.
win. Took it all the way up to that
Best
sharp.
name
What's the ES
handle
algo
ever.
show?
Definitely stands out in the chat there.
It does. It does. Dork hit the light. All right. You can come back anytime, brother.
I do like the idea of every once in a while we got to do the whole guest appearance thing there.
Oh,
no,
we
I
can't
love
take
it.
that
You on the
liquidity.
I do like
I'm telling
that.
you,
I like
liquidity has
that a
been
lot.
repelling the markets quite a bit lately. Yes, algo is showing a move.
685 still
Is it making
there.
a move in which direction? Up or down?
Actually, don't. Yeah, here we go. Is this where we go close up the J hook on the 3?
I mean, my algo is showing that the ES and NASDAQ are going to continue to move to the right.
Not yet.
Pip.NQ on the 9.
Not yet. Sellers still want to say something, I guess.
We got 6 people watching. Man.
Don't know how much room in this room we're gonna have. I mean,
know, man.
place full, standing room only.
Today and Thursday. Oh, next Thursday.
Hit that like and subscribe button.
Hey, Curtis. So you say
64
SP,
subscribers.
SP,
Look
Yeah,
at
the
another
ES?
136
Is it in the
will be
SPX?
qualified. We'll qualify for
Which one?
monetization if we have 4,000
DCDMES on the 1. Pip.NQ on the
We'll
3.
probably make about 12
Liquidity
bucks a
sweep
month.
down. I like that. I like liquidity sweep down to
Good.
go back up.
killing it.
I like that idea.
I'm just having fun, man. This is
It actually, I love the whole.
SPX.
I actually love the streaming aspect of it. It's actually improved my trading tremendously, believe it or not.
yeah. We're not even showing your trades.
That could
No,
happen.
we can.
By next Thursday, that could happen.
I'm the only one that's dropped.
But
my
the market
shorts
likes whatever happens with the
showed my shit
elections
to
and the
the world.
earnings. That could happen.
I don't know how to.
I don't think that's far fetched.
Pip.NQ on the 3.
So if I go to, let me go to edit video. Let me see what I can do there. Man,
That's controlled in OBS.
No. Well, I don't know. See, I don't see it.
Oh,
Hey, Dork,
Big
I'm
run up
kind
after
of a
3
total
p.m.
dork when it comes to this
Maybe
shit.
dip
I've
down
been
around
trying
2
to
p.m.
learn it.
then let's rip it at 3. I like that. Rip it going into a close. I
I
like
do
that.
know that if I go with the ultra low,
As long as we can
John,
dip it
on
down
the, what you
And hit at least
on
a minus development area right here.
OBS.
you need to increase the
Go ahead and
resolution
take that
scale
out
in
and then they can
OBS.
rip it.
Okay,
Let's
the
go.
only way I can do that. You know what? Let me find
Not
out.
asking for
Hold on a
much.
second.
Not asking for much.
Pip.NQ on the 41.
Does it move up after 3?
Hey, I think Captain Price is
I
telling
can
us
see
to
that
make this a
happening.
competition, John.
And that would complete the little
So there was
there.
a way
Push it down,
to
trap
actually
'em,
monitor
run it up.
our
I like that idea.
profitability.
Work off
on
some of
a-
this momentum to the
it was like
upside.
market analyzer or something like that.
I
Hold
like
on
that
a second.
idea. We'll see if it plays out.
So you're saying we could be like, what was Pippi and Robbie?
Yeah, we can be
Really?
like Pippi and Robbie.
Ah, that's fantastic.
All right, I don't think it'll let me do it right now because I'm in the middle of the stream.
Yeah.
So it says select video, go to video tab. I'm on the video tab.
Better to push up and tank.
That's fantastic.
I got that short M&Q
Set
trade on,
this
so I want to go down
resolution
first.
you're capturing. So we're at
I'm biased. Still got that micro trade on.
we're at 19.
So I'm biased. I'm looking for that minus development area to hit.
So the base resolution needs to be 1920. I've got it set at 3840. And it won't let me do it while we're live. This is the
You're fine
resolution.
there. It's somewhere. It's
We'll let it
it's
rip
in the
until
stream
going into a
resolution.
close, and
I'll find.
Crash
I'll
out.
get
Oh,
to
wait a
this.
minute. I
I'm
see
fine
it.
with that, too.
So if I
I'm really fine with all scenarios.
yeah,
Just let my target
it
get hit.
won't let me change it right now.
Is it set to
It's not a big
720 right
position,
now
so
though?
I'm all
Yeah.
right with that.
Yeah,
Pretty small
You gotta
position.
you gotta up that.
yeah. I just can't do it without ending the stream. Hey guys, if you can hear me, I'm gonna end this stream and I'm gonna start another stream. Okay, John?
Yep, do it.
All right, give me just.
We'll
a
be right
second.
back.
All right,
Market's been really slow.
we'll be right back.
Hey, I just noticed